As Western moves to the 7-week session calendar, I wanted to provide you with information about what to expect in terms of registration. The good news is course registration for 7-week sessions will look very similar to our current registration process. There will still be 3 registration periods: continuing student, new student, and open enrollment. Registration for summer 2024 will open first for continuing program students in March. Watch your Western email for more information from your college advisor, which will help you be prepared for your registration date. Registration for fall 2024 will open for continuing students in April. As in the past, new student registration will open 1 week after continuing students. This registration period will be for all new technical diploma and associate degree students who will be starting in an upcoming term. And lastly, open registration for non-program students will begin approximately 2 months after current students. There are a couple of things to keep in mind as you are registering. When your registration period begins, you are registering for both 7-week sessions. For summer, you will register for Summer Session 1, which is the first 7 weeks of the summer term, and Summer Session 2, which is the second 7 weeks. Similarly, for fall term, you will register for Fall Session 1 and Fall Session 2. It is important that you register for both sessions at the same time. This will decrease the likelihood of registration errors. This will be the case for the 7-week sessions in summer, fall, and spring terms. For most up-to-date information, make sure you are checking your Western email and your My Western student portal and our website.